Okay, here is a quick demonstration on how to crop images. A common suggestion I do make to people is that they take their images and crop them down so that the shapes go off the edge. Problem with that is you end up like this over here and over here and over here, or you end up with things off the that actually do go off the edge. So what we want to do is crop it down. And here's our stage here, and we can crop it down or crop it so that it leaves or it disappears outside the edge of the stage. First thing I want to do actually is to lay down a rectangle underneath. Obviously that's on top, but if I hit Apple or Command Shift and then the left bracket, that sends that all the way to the back. And you'll notice there, now that we have these cool colors with this really bright red background, and then everything's in the back there. So let's call this our finished design, and what we want to do now is crop it. So best way to do that, in fact the only way I know how to do that, is to go in and let's change the color. Let's make it white. Take the part of the design that you want and make a rectangle over it. Let's actually bring it all the way to the edge. Okay, so that there is going to be what is left of our image, and then everything outside is going to get cropped off. So once we've got that rectangle on top, we go to the selection tool here, and we select our entire image. So that tells us that we've got the background rectangle, that rectangle that I just laid down on top, and then all of the design itself. From there, it's as simple as going to Object, Clipping Mask, and Make, and then you are left with your finished product right there. And you notice that the shapes are still outside there, so you got to watch out for that. But yeah, it's really as simple as that. And then from there, you could take that and try a new file, and we could shrink that down if we wanted, copy it, and then present our designs that way. That'll be more relevant, at different times. But just being able to crop down your images is really nice, so that you end up with clean edges, but you don't have that weird feeling that happens when your shapes are all sort of smashed into the edge there. And that is how you do that.